celebrating our achievement, our improvement. I feel Roshni Academy is the best of the best academy for the girls. Before taking part in Roshni, I felt very shy when I spoke English in the front of public. And now you will see the change. I'm not shy, I'm confident.
We all know life is not a bed of roses. Everybody has to go through hardships. So we try to make them just aware of the fact that there will be difficult moments in life, but if you're hardworking, sincere, and you get an opportunity like this, take the best of it.
I think the question is not whether one has resources or not. The question is not whether it's the right time or not. The question is of how badly do you want it.
Roshni believes that academic excellence is necessary yet insufficient for these students coming from these socioeconomic backgrounds to succeed in Indian society. Unlike the American system, in India, there are many other more complex cultural and social barriers. Many of the students face pressure from their families to get married at a young age, and this usually happens for two reasons. One is that their family views them as a financial burden, and the second is that oftentimes the parents are concerned that if their daughter becomes too educated, they'll have a hard time finding a suitable groom in their socioeconomic community.
My father didn't allow me and my sister to be in co-ed school. You have to study in girls' school. Doesn't matter the studies of that school is good or not, but you have to be in girls' school. The religion is also a reason, because the outsiders hate my mom and dad. You should not give your girls so much of education, so why don't you get them married after 12th? In fact, my mom has made her mind that she will get me and my sister married after 12th, and she said me very fluently, Dekho beta, you know the family condition is not good, so how can we manage it? So it will much better that you. But now when I joined Roshni Academy, my mother really support me, and she knows that she can see that I'm very enthusiastic to go to the class and to have so many of classes. So the change I can see in my mom.
Even they were not sure about their education. It was something like if their parents, maybe because of financial problems or maybe because their parents think that girls shouldn't study, they were just okay with it. They were quite accepting the fact that somewhere down the line they might just stop studying. But now when discussions, they got to know about what qualities they possess and how much capability they have. Now they have this strong feeling that yes, they should actually continue studies.
My name is Meena, and my age is 16, and my school name is DTA Senior Secondary School. I want to concentrate first of all maths and physics, because I want to become computer engineer. I like computer activities. If you want to achieve something, you have to sacrifice.
और उनके पापा डैडी जो ड्रिंक पीते हैं हमेशा, डैडी बहुत पीते हैं, बहुत परेशान हैं।
used to break my
माता भी तो मारते हैं सारे। हम लोग माता के मंदिर में सोते हैं, माता के मंदिर में बैठते हैं।
के बाद नहीं हम स्टेप्स वहाँ पर जाके सोते हैं।
वहाँ जाकर रेस्ट करते हैं।
फिर पापा सोने के बाद आते थे, फिर घर में चुप चुप के
उसके बाद जाके सोते हैं हम लोग। अच्छा पढ़े, अच्छा नौकरी करे, अच्छे से स्टडी में रहे, बस यही चिंता मुझे ज़्यादा है, उनको अच्छी तरह स्टडी कर दूँ।
Roshni students are in the top 2% of their class academically. Most of them have achieved first or second position in their school, and most of their family incomes are lower than 5,000 rupees per month per family, which is about $100 a month. And most of them have families of 10 to 15 people each.
That they have a lot of potential, but they have very little opportunity.
I want to become a journalist, and I want to do everything from now.
The only question was, how? How am I going to achieve this goal? Do I have the confidence? Do I have what it takes?
You can see that I'm talking to you. Earlier, my English is not good. Even I'm hesitate to speak in English. Still I'm not good in English, but I'm trying. You can see my confidence. I'm talking to you all.
So Asana took the initiative and found her first job in the field of journalism.
सपोर्ट करने के लिए इनके साथ जाती हूँ। मैं सोचती हूँ कि बच्चे कितने भी समझदार हो जाएं, लेकिन हमारे साथ आगे तो ये बच्चे हैं, तो इसलिए इनके साथ रहती हूँ।
And the next day she would come and tell the other students about her experience at this new job, and they were just so inspired. They really look up to her.
तो कल मेरा इंटरव्यू था और मुझे एक असाइनमेंट मिला है कि मुझे एक मूवी देखनी है, उस मूवी के ऊपर एक स्टोरी लिखनी है एज अ व्यूअर, कि मुझे वो मूवी कैसी लगी और फिर वो न्यूज़पेपर में पब्लिश होगी। तो मैं कल गई
They should not feel, you know, that since we don't have money and we can't do anything in life. No, this is completely a myth. You can. If you are hardworking, if you are determined, if you are sincere, if all this are motivated and you have the goal set, you can be the future leader of India.
Most of them have never had a parent, a teacher, a sibling, or anybody tell them that they can become anything in their lives. And not only do we tell them that repeatedly, but we actually give them the concrete steps that they need to take to achieve their goals.
My name is Jayashree and my age is 15 and I'm studying in DTS Senior Secondary School, Posar. मतलब मैं इस क्लास में जब मैं पहली बार मेरा क्लास था तो मेरे को डर लग रहा था कि मैं कैसे इस क्लास को फेस करूँगी। मेरे को तो कुछ आता ही नहीं है। तो मैम ने मेरे अंदर अपना एक कॉन्फिडेंस जगा कि मैं ये कर सकती हूँ, मेरे को भी ऐसे इन बच्चों के सामने मैं बोल सकती हूँ।
My name is Jayashree. I am studying in 10th. There are 5 members in my family. One is my mother, my 2 sisters, and my father. My father is not in Delhi. He is working in Haryana. So my mother is working part time. So she struggled for me in my education.
इन दो सेक्शंस की वजह से मेरे कॉन्फिडेंट आए मेरे पे। मेरे को बिल्कुल डर नहीं लगता है। तब मैं यहाँ आई थी, मैं सोच रही थी मैं अपनी लाइफ में कुछ नहीं कर सकती। सब मुझे मैम मीन्स मुझे डिस्करेज करते थे। मेरी मम्मी के अलावा सब मुझे ना कहते थे तो कुछ नहीं कर सकती लाइफ में, तो सिर्फ जैसी है वैसी रहेगी। उसके बाद भी फिर मुझे लगता था कि मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकती, पर तब आप सब ने मुझे कहा कि तुम भी कुछ कर सकते हो, तुम स्पेशल हो, तो मुझे लगा कि हाँ मैं भी कुछ कर सकती हूँ।
Personality building is not given much time and much significance in our school curriculum, but here in Roshni most of the topics were related to personality, like confidence, teamwork, manners, etiquette.
As I said, whatever we've taught here in Roshni, the curriculum of Roshni is such that all girls can actually apply the things they've learned here in Roshni in their practical lives.